Alright, now is the time to give positions to the position holders and all the other students. So we will write position. What other word do we have for position? Is rank. So the formula is simple enough. Equals to rank, and you have to use this one. But this functionality is particularly compatible with 2007 and earlier. But don't worry about that. It will work just fine. Press tab, and then you have to understand that what is your tooltip suggesting. So it's saying that give the number that you want to rank. So rank is normally given by percentages. So we'll see how much percentage a student obtained. This cell and comma reference. It means in comparison with. So in comparison with how many students? Rank this student percentage in comparison with starting from this point and control shift down. So it means we have to compare the percentage of this student with all the other students in the range. Only then we can say that okay, his percentage is quite good and he's, for example, on 8th position. Okay, if I hit enter, you have the position. So I will double click and send it down. Just spend 1 minute and see if you think that all the positions are okay. Just spend some minute and identify the percentages and according to that their position. Is it okay or not? Yes, of course. It's not okay because 76.8% is first, but 58% is also first. So how is that possible? That's possible. Now I will ask you one question. If you think that you can get a first place in the class, what are the chances and what are the possibilities? You don't understand my question? Okay, there is a possibility that you can stand first in class if there is only one student, right? So this is the same case here. If I have compared two students, one has obtained 95% and the other has 90%. So who is first and who is second? Obviously 95% is more. He will get first position and the other person will get the second position. If I remove that person from the class who holds 95%, then the other person will be first. Similarly, that's the case here. If you are ranking first student, it should be in comparison of 50. But if you are ranking second student, it should not be compared with only 49 students. It also should be compared with all 50 students. So that means that if you drag down the formula, the cells will move, which is good, but the range will also move from here to here, here. So it will not include all the other cells in the range. So the comparison will be lesser and lesser. That means when applying this formula, I have to select the whole range of reference and I have to fix this. That means absolute and relative references. Fixing is that you put a nail on that thing so it won't move. To fix the reference, I will just select it and I will press F4 key. Okay, and then press enter. Now I can drag it down. Notice that results has changed. Now this seems to be fine, because obviously if the student has got C, he should be 31 or so, right? So ranking positions is just like that. You have to use a cell reference, the number which you want to rank, and the reference in comparison with all 50 students. So you have to keep that static for all students. That means that you have to select the range and then fix it by pressing F4 key.